of Chasing Horizons, presented by group number 34, team lead Lokesh Kudipudi, and I am Sneha, and I will be guiding you through our project. The modern traveler's planning process is fragmented across countless sites for hotels, tours, and information. Chasing Horizons solve this by being a unified platform. We integrate destination discovery, seamless booking, and a unique AI powered travel chatbot into a single intuitive experience. For example, now I want to visit a beach. Well, I will select a Goa beach. Through this feature, this transforms my trip planning from a chore into a pleasure. We will begin by demonstrating the form validation. Here in the sign up page, I am entering my name, a wrong email address, my mobile number, and a wrong password, and my address, and I'm submitting it. As there is no special case in my email address, I filled it and there's a wrong in my password. It says that it should has a uppercase, a lowercase and a special case along with 8 digits. Here I'm signed up successfully. Now let's walk through the form validation in the code. Here the key function here we are using is handle sign up. It is called on every input change. It checks each field against the rules like password strength, email address and phone number, providing a seamless user experience. Now, let's examine dynamic DOM manipulation through our AI chatbot. This demonstrates how we create and update content without page refreshes. When I send this message, you will see the async process in action. First, my text is immediately added to the chat, then the API call fetches the AI response, and finally, the bot's reply appears all dynamically. Let's trace the flow in the code. The send chat message function first calls add message function to display the user's input instantly. Then it makes a fetch post request to our endpoint. When the response return, we process the JSON data and then call the add message function again with the bot's response. The add message function creates a new div element, sets its content and class, and uses the append child function to inject it into the DOM. This happens for every message in this conversation. The result is a fluid, real time conversation where each message is dynamically created and added to the interface as the conversation progresses. First, let's fetch our tour data. When I load the tours page, watch the networks tab. You'll see a new get request appear. The status shows 200, meaning success, and the response contain all the tour data that populate these cards. Slash tour slash search. This request happens in the background, and when the data returns, our JavaScript dynamically builds the tour interface you see here. Fetching the detailed hotel data. When I click this hotel, another get request goes to specific hotel ID. The response contains detailed information of images, amenities, pricing that fills this dedicated hotel page. Slash hotels slash search. Again, the status confirms success and the detailed data is seamlessly integrated into the page without any refresh. The async function starting with a booking system. The async keyword before the function declares it as asynchronous, allowing us to use the await inside it. This function handles the entire booking workflow from user click to server communication. Here, the core async operation, the fetch call, we await this post request to slash booking. The await keyword pauses execution until the promise resolves, then stores the response in our response variable. Percent contributions. Toast system and Gemini AI integration are being done by Lokesh Kuripudi. Created Tours view with EJS templating and built interactive chatbot interface with real-time responses. Manager dashboard is done by Meghna. She developed the hotel management interface, created room management system with CRUD operations, implemented booking management and room inventory, built hotel analytics dashboard with metrics visualization. Reports are done by Rohan. He built the comprehensive admin control panel, implemented user dashboard with booking management, created analytics system, developed the package management interface, and added user profile management system. Is done by Totham. He developed the complete hotel management system, created hotel search and filtering system, built hotel detail pages with amenities display, added hotel booking system, and created role-based authentication middleware, and created a JWT-based session management. The login UI and contact system is done by Sneha. She implemented the UI for login system, implemented for form validation using DOM in the front end, built contact form with backend integration, added query management system for admin. Artifacts, we have our first file db dump where the database objects are there, and next git logs where the git commits are there, and then in the source file we have our source code, and then in the demo we have the YouTube URL. In the documentation file we have about the documentation, and next is a readme file, and then the task assignment we have the tasks that are assigned to us, and in the test plan we have the validation test case.